So what do you think? Do you think Batman will like my song? I don't know. Maybe. Why don't you go see? Why don't you go play it for him and find out? Okay. Ah! Uh, hey, what are you trying to do? Run me over? Mom? Hey, Polly dear. How you doing, dear? Fine. I missed you so much. What brings you to Hollywood University? Well, me and your two sisters missed you so much, we had to come down and pay you a visit. So you brought Pamela and Patty too? Mm-hmm. Well, how old are they now? Patty is 8 and Pamela is... Oh, excuse me. And Pamela is 13. Wow, how time flies. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go take a look around. You, get to know your sisters. Hello? Anybody here? Hi, Patty. Oh, hi, Polly. What's up? Not much. Is there a particular reason why you're not talking to me? Well, it says you never were around very much. Well, I was at school, and now why aren't you visiting? Well, because you have your career. Well, yeah. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go see what happened to Mommy. Pamela, you in there? Oh my goodness, Pamela, you've grown up so much. Yep, I sure have. Man, the last time you were like Patty's age. Yeah, I missed you so much. I missed you too. Come on, let's go. How about we catch up over a hot dog or something? That sounds great, yeah.
Some idiot left their car all open. Let's see if we can find anything. Oh, someone left their bag in there. Hee hee hee. I'm so fast, Batman will never catch me. Someone stole Pamela's bag. Hee hee, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Ah! Did someone lose a bag?
Oh, that'd be mine. Thanks, Batman.
As for you,
Ah!
that was easy. Ooh, they left this one behind too.